Hi everyone, my name is iiqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to take you along in this journey of unpacking everything that I got in my luggage to travel from Qatar all the way here to the UK. One day business class where I'll get extra luggage, extra leg space, all of that. But for now, I traveled economy class, Qatar Airways. So I was given 30 kgs as checked-in luggage and 7 kgs as hand luggage. Also, the audio situation might suck, so please bear with that. I traveled with a total of 6 pieces of luggage. So let me break it down for you. The stuff that I carried with me on the plane with me was this small, teeny tiny bag. This bag just goes around my shoulder like this, and I carry it whenever somebody asks for passport, money. I can just zoop, 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 zoop. Easy access. This just has my wallet, so Qatar wallet and UK wallet, my trusty power bank and cables to go along with it, boarding pass, my passport wallet, earphones, labello, and my phone obviously, which I'm using to record right now. So yeah, that's all for this bag. It's all empty. Also, shout out to my dad. He runs the leather business company, so all the leather goods are sponsored by him. Next thing that I carry with me on the plane is a rucksack just for my laptop so that it doesn't get included in that 7 kgs weight, which is this one with one front pocket and just one zip. Now, this bag is essentially just for my laptop, but sometimes I just put in some extra thing that doesn't go in my proper official 7 kg hand luggage. So this has Vicks in case, I had a headache or a runny nose, toothbrush, extra specs, 4 essential beauty or get ready items. So comb, sunscreen, concealer to hide my pimple marks, and eyeliner in case I want to jazz up my eyes a little bit. Back pocket, I have water bottle, any important documents in the file, and obviously my laptop. I also had chocolate and chips in case I wanted some snacks in the flight or right after I landed. So yeah, that's all I had, which doesn't exist anymore. So that's all for my rucksack. Also, pro tip, or more like thanks to my parents of thinking about this, they just packed 3 chicken rolls so that the moment I land, I can eat that as, lunch, dinner, breakfast for at least the next 3 meals so that I don't have to think about ordering or cooking. So yeah, really, really, really was a lifesaver. So yeah, thank you, Ammi and Abu for packing those chicken rolls. Came really handy yesterday when I was starving for dinner and then today morning for breakfast. Moving on to item number 3, which is the official 7 kg hand luggage. Now, because I optimized my weight with the sling bag and rucksack so much, this came out to be 5 kg, so I could still have 2 more extra kg of stuff, but I didn't bother. So first up, this really, really, really soft kitten soft toy. This was a gift, but it's so soft. I knew I won't have pillows, so I thought I'll get this at least. It's so soft. You just have to touch it to realize how soft this is. Then just another pillow. I know this is cat themed as well, but this is all from my student days where I was a cat fanatic. Room slippers, tissue box, cap. Oh my god, shout out to World Cup Qatar 2022. Another hairbrush, jacket and clothes, mask, and 2 books. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, not much, but in the 7 kg, I would recommend only packing things that you essentially need right after landing. So for me, slippers, pillow, and tissue box was important. And I essentially forgot to carry some proper night dress that I would use, that I would change right after landing and then sleep in. Generally, I like to carry light, but when you're moving from one country to another and you have to pack your entire life with you, I try to optimize as much and bear with the little discomfort that I will have to carry all this with me on the plane. So yeah, those were my 3 hand luggage. Technically, you're supposed to only carry 1 7 kg hand luggage, but the way my bags are, I always get away with carrying 3 pieces. Moving on to my checked-in luggage was another 3 pieces, out of which one of them was just this badminton racket. I bought this in uni and I've played my uni games, my Qatar games. It has some sort of sentimental value attached with it. But I was fully prepared not be able to carry this in case the check-in people didn't allow, but excited to start playing in the UK again. So this was my first piece of checked-in fragile luggage, which was hardly like, I don't know, 500 grams or not even that. So for checked-in luggage, I had a total of 30 kgs allowed, which I split into 20 kgs in this huge suitcase and another 10 kgs in, I don't know what to call it, like a hiking, sports, trekking bag. And the total checked in came to 30 kgs and 600 grams or something like that. So I was super proud. So let's unpack this first. Usually I like to segregate items and pack it very meticulously, but I was very sick for the past few days and I prioritized meeting people one last time in Qatar before I leave than like spend hours trying to organize and pack everything. So I just pretty much dumped stuff inside these two. So it's just going to be a random mix of things coming out one by one. So looking at this, I see a lot of clothes. So dresses, joggers, underwear, socks, pillowcase, bed sheet. Oh, for kitchen, this, I don't know what you call it, like a wiper. This is interesting. This is like vegetable cutter. And again, I just stuffed it with clothes so that, I optimize the space. Books and diaries, green chili sauce. This, I love spicy sauce. And this is something that you only get in India for some reason. In Kolkata, that's what I found. So I asked my dad to get these from India to Qatar, and then from Qatar I got it to the UK. Chia seed, because I've become very accustomed to drinking this with my water. 1 kg of pure cow ghee. This is what I'll be using to cook most of my food with. Some more clothes, Rubik's Cube, knife, body lotion, pad, and like the blender container. And again, it has like clothes inside. Some more diaries. I am a huge journaler, diary writer, whatever you want to call me. I just love writing my brain out. So yeah, these two are going to be brand new for 2023. And this is something that I have been using. 1 piece of onion. So the reason is because I'm carrying 1 Haldiram bhel puri packet. So to make that, I carried 1 onion. And that's it. That's all there was in this 10 kg bag. So coming to the last, but not the least, the most heaviest, most important perhaps, piece of checked-in luggage, which is this suitcase. And you'll see that it's covered with like all stickers from different tech events that I was part of while I was studying here in uni. Just wanted to show you an overview. So this is what it looks like. This is what we'll be unpacking right now. And also this is the mess that I've created in my room only for this video. So please be grateful and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Okay, coming to the unpacking of all of this. First up, towel. Now this is again something that I would recommend you to put in the hand luggage, but I was just throwing things in. Swimsuit. I don't know when I'll be using it, but I just carried it for the summer days, which are far, far, far away. A lot of clothes, mainly black clothes. My handy dandy extension cable, some hangers, hairdryer, mic, more clothes, underwear, sportswear, magic bullet. This is the only piece of kitchenware, like a proper kitchenware that I got scale. So that's completed the one side. Let's move on to the next side. This is the singular packet of bhel puri that I was talking about for that onion. Some more clothes, biryani masala. Not that I'm going to make biryani anytime soon, but this works as a perfect marinade for chicken. So that's what I'll be using it. Ooh. Head massager, face moisturizer, some more pad, hair product. And it sort of leaked, so I'm so glad that I put it in a bag and then wrapped it up. So whatever residue, whatever leaked a little bit is in this bag and nothing else has been spoiled. The camera stand. So if I had this, I would have a better angle, but it's okay. Fan. I don't know, I think I'm like, with this swimsuit and this fan, I feel like I'm trying to manifest hot weather because it's freezing. So yeah, fan. But this also comes in handy while I'm putting some face serum. After I put the face serum, I just dry it with this fan. Trimmer, kitchen waste scale. Do this again. This is a bidet, which is so important here because they only use toilet roll. Ugh. But yeah, this again is something I would highly recommend you to pack it in the hand luggage or like somewhere easy access than like in this checked in luggage. Some cotton pad, body wash, then just like tech stuff, so lights, webcams in case I need it for my YouTube videos or streaming or just like working from home. Drawing tablet, another pair of specs. This one is a new one. I don't know what I feel about this. Oh no, I broke it. Oops. These were like supposed to be huge white specs. Um, I don't know what to feel about it. I was gonna show you and ask you if I look good in them, but I think the universe decided it for me. How does that work though? Like I put it in the specs case and it still broke. Like what? Now, as an amateur but still artistic person, times when I want to paint or draw or even journal, so this just has a box full of stationery so that I don't have to buy again here, and also this paint palette. Then I have another box with medicine, eye lens, thermometer, measuring tape, a few more beauty products that that I occasionally use. This box just has jewelry that I usually wear with black clothes. Usually, I like to wear a pop of color, so jewelry is the way to go. My other pouch, tech stuff, so hard drives and mic. This is what I needed. And finally, my last pouch, skincare stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is oh, I missed this bit. I have sentimental stuff, which is really important. You know, like some birthday cards that some of my friends made. Also, just like some photographs and post it. With that, yeah, literally that's all there is. This is completely empty now. Now you see that I don't really have a lot of utensils and pans, pots, all of that. That's because currently I'm in a house share and you get plates, mugs, glasses, all of that with the house. So that was one advantage of a house share. I will be doing a video on comparing a house share with just living on by yourself because I have experienced both of them. So watch out for a video for that. But yeah, I was able to save a lot of my weight in the checked-in luggage by not carrying all of those essential items because I was getting it with the house. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Hopefully this video was useful in some way or at least entertaining to know what all I carried with me while moving countries from Qatar to the UK. The plan is to obviously just live my life and make a checklist of the things that I do require that I don't have with me and buy it or order it online. I'm gonna go now. Please do like the video, subscribe, please subscribe and comment. I love reading your comments, so please comment anything that you particularly were weirded out or you were like, whoa, that's a great idea. When I'm going to move countries, I'm definitely going to definitely going to carry it with me, iiqrah. Thank you very much. Yeah, so that's all. Okay, bye. Here's a final overview of the mess that I created to film the video. That's where you were. I was putting you in that Qatar Airways all-day snack box as a tripod. And yeah, I'm just excited to pack everything everywhere in my room and get things sorted out. Subscribe.